unit, geological unit called lithosphere. So please don't forget the Earth's crust. The Earth's crust is the upper part of the mantle, combined with each other, to form a very important geological part, which is lithosphere. This is the lithosphere. Combination between Earth's crust and the upper part of the mantle, or lithosphere. And this lithosphere, consider rigid, outer part of the Earth, that it is bordered above by the atmosphere and below by asthenosphere. Asthenosphere, the other part of the upper mantle, with an average thickness of approximately 100 kilometers. 100 kilometers. Lithosphere represents the geological surface where most geological phenomena occur, including the formation of landforms, earthquakes, and volcanic activity. Lithosphere represents the geological surface. You can find a mountain, hill, plateau, all landforms, earthquakes, volcanic activity. All of these occurred in the lithosphere. Occurred in the lithosphere. After that, lithosphere is made up of several components. The most important of which are rocks. Rocks are considered the primary building blocks of lithosphere. Primary building blocks. They are classified into igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic rocks, which together form Earth's solid crust. So please don't forget, lithosphere is made of several components. Number one, rocks. Rocks, primary building block of lithosphere. And there are very important types of rocks, which are igneous rock, الصخور النارية. sedimentary rock, صخور بس رسوبية، يعني layer after layer, year after year، لحد ما تلاقي عندك sedimentary rock بتتكون. metamorphic rock، صخور متحولة زي الماردل، زي الرخام. All these types of rocks form the Earth's crust, which is considered component of the lithosphere. After that, minerals also from the components of the lithosphere. And minerals are natural inorganic substances with a chemical composition and a specific crystalline structure. They are building unit of rocks and are vital for usage in industry and construction. Inside the rocks, there are minerals. The rock may be formed of one mineral or a group of minerals. So minerals are natural, inorganic substances, inorganic And these minerals block for the what? For the rock. Made the rock and to form the lithosphere. And these minerals are very important for industry. These minerals are very important for the industry. Let's see, the soil. Soil is an essential layer of lithosphere that nourishes plants and retains nutrients. It is crucial for agriculture and the natural ecosystem. Without the soil, how the agriculture will be occurred? How the plants can grow? The plants need basic materials needed from the soil, need nutrients. Take it from the soil. Without the soil, the plants can't grow well. Can't grow. No agriculture. So we have rocks, minerals, soil. We have rock. These rocks, inside it, there are minerals. There is a thin layer. Above all of these is the soil in which the plants can grow. So that lithosphere serves as the fundamental foundation upon which Earth, other spheres depend. We have here the Earth, here the lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere. It represents a solid base. Lithosphere represents a solid base that supports the crust and everything above it, and provides physical and chemical process that regulates the planet's stability and balance. Lithosphere represents a solid base that supports the crust and everything above it, and provide physical and chemical process that regulate the planet's stability and balance. So that, for example, rocks existing in lithosphere contribute to controlling the concentration of carbon dioxide through chemical reaction known as chemical weathering process. Look here, reaction with water, and here reaction with acid, but here reaction with oxygen, and for here reaction with organism. So oxygen, water, acid, organism can react with the lithosphere and make what? Weathering process. Make what? Weathering process. Breaking down for rocks. For that, when rocks containing silicate minerals are exposed to water and carbon dioxide, a chemical reaction occurs, leading to the formation of calcium bicarbonate. This process contributes to reducing the percentage of carbon dioxide in the earth. For that, you very well. Here, when carbon dioxide dissolved in rainwater. When carbon dioxide dissolved in rainwater react with the rocks of Lithosphere. Part of it is converted. Part of it is converted into bicarbonate. These ions dissolve in water and carbon dioxide away from the atmosphere. These ions dissolve in water and carry carbon dioxide away from the atmosphere. These ions are transported via rivers to the sea, where they may later be deposited as solid calcium carbonate. So, carbon dioxide can dissolve in water and fall after that on this sphere